Alright, I got a nice 149 signal. Haven't been, I'm at a park mostly clad here. I haven't found any wheat or any old coins. So I've kind of switched into new park mode. And looks like I've got a ring here. What is it? It looks silver, and it has 925 on it. So there you go. Kind of looks like Nike. What you have? You're on camera.
There's all kind of signal in there, dude.
Ah, one hole?
Yep.
A weedy?
A
Yeah.
51 Rosie and a 19...
Looks like an 18 or something.
1912. Looks like.
Yeah, 12 or 13.
12 weedy.
Nice. Alright, not long after Wayne called me over, I got a nice signal myself. And looking down in the hole, I see a silver dime. And it's a Merc. 1942. Alright, Wayne called me over. What do you have?
52D Washington quarter.
Nice, man. Sweet. I started to walk away and he said, wait a minute, it's got friends. So you can see the rim coming right out of the dirt right there. What do you have?
61 Rosie.
Nice. Silver coin spill. So what do you have here?
1902 Pittsburgh carriage license.
Sweet. That's a nice relic.
Oh yeah. I like one of these.
Is that brass or?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, here's a surprise. I dug a wheat penny signal under this nice big old, I think it's a silver maple. And out comes some silver. Unfortunately, I scratched it. And it's a Merc. It's a 1942. Alright. Alright, I was under this tree again, going slowly. I switched from two-tone ferrous to just regular conductive sounds because there's so much high conductivity trash, and I was just listening for, going really slowly and listening for squeaks and high tones that could be silver, and it worked. And I have a 1964 Rosie here. 1964, nice. Wayne calls me over. What do you have?
I got a silver Rosie.
All right.
No mint mark. And it is a 48.
Nice.
Nice big black ring around there.
Now, did you say you found another one a few minutes ago?
Yeah.
So what? How many silvers is this for you today? 4. 5, I think. Yeah. Nice. 4 silver dimes, 4 rosies, and a quarter. Sweet. I don't know if you guys can see the snow out there. There's Wayne somewhere out there. And it looks like a blizzard at this point. Well, the blizzard is over, and the sun came out, and all the snow melted. And a few minutes later, I got a nice 1245 signal. And here we have a Mercury dime, 1939. All right. All right, I got another silver dime. This one was pretty hard to locate. I dug here, but it ended up being over here. So it might have been on its side, or I might just be so tired that I have forgotten how to pinpoint. It looks like a 25. All right, we broke into the 20s. Let me check again. It's a 35. Still good. All right, there it is in the middle of the plug. It's Rosie, and it's a 51. All right. Alright, here's a crappy signal, turned good. See, there's a quarter in there. Oh, 43. Almost looked like there's something else in there. Nice. 43, Philadelphia. All right. Somebody's looking tired here.
Yeah, 6 for today.
Nice.
1920 mark.
Oh, okay. Wow. So we did break into the 20s.
Yep.
All right. I got a 43 and a 15:45 signal. The weather's getting bad again. It's a race against time. Our batteries are about to run out. We're both trying to get the most silver today, and we'll see what happens. All right. Wayne just called me over. What do you have?
It's in the hole.
Ah, another quarter.
Yes, it is. It's an early one, too. It's a 36.
Nice.
No mint mark. 36 Washington quarter.
Cool. So this puts you for 7 today?
Yep.
Awesome. End the video recap. What do you have?
4 Rosies, a 20 mark, 52 Washington, and a 36D Washington.
Does a Merc have a mint mark?
No, no mint mark.
Nice. And then you got a giant pile of
Early Wheaties.
Wheaties. Said you got a 1918 and a 14?
Yeah, 14 and 18. I think there's 2 or 3 18s in there, actually.
So there could be some barbers in there.
There has to be.
Alright, so I got, let's see, 1 quarter, the Nike ring, 5 Mercs, and 2 Rosies.